As the COVID-19 restrictions are coming to a close, I know you guys are eager to ride more on your favorite motorcycle to your favorite destination. But still, I urge you guys to be safe while going out. Welcome to Bandidos PITSTOP, and I'm here with a new video talking about all the accessories you guys should take on your next long ride. In this video, we'll be talking about 3 types of accessories. 1 for your motorcycle, 2 for you, and 3 luggage accessories. First, let's just talk about accessories for your motorcycle. Let us start with the all-important crash guards. Sometimes a crash may lead to great damage to your motorcycle. This will greatly impact your ride. A crash guard will prevent exactly this. When buying a crash guard, make sure you buy good quality ones. With us at Bandidos PITSTOP, we have the widest collection of crash guards for all range of motorcycles. Next up is a must-have touring accessory, the saddle stay with carrier. A saddle stay's job is quite simple. It's to keep your saddlebags in place when riding. A saddle stay will make sure that your saddlebag does not come in contact with your moving parts. A carrier will enable you to carry additional luggage when you're riding long. But when buying a carrier, make sure you buy good ones so that you can carry heavy luggage. Next up, we have the windscreen or the visors. A visor or windscreen will provide adequate amount of wind resistance when riding on the highways or long distance. This will greatly improve the comfort of your riding. Visors are now available for all kinds of motorcycles. Another very important accessory for long distance riding is the handlebar risers. A handlebar riser will greatly improve your riding position. It will give you more comfort and more long distance riding capabilities. Next up is another safety accessory, the handguard. A handguard will protect your levers and handlebars in case of a fall or a crash, and it's a must-have accessory for long distance tourists. Another important accessory for long distance riding are fog lights. A fog light will greatly improve your riding capabilities, especially in very bad weather conditions. Now, when preferring for a fog light, go for LED fog lights. As a rider, it is very important to be connected and have navigation on at all times. In order to do this, a good quality mobile holder always comes handy. When buying a mobile holder, make sure you buy one with a charger, because that way you're always on charge. You can always charge your GoPro or your mobile phone. Now, if you're someone who likes to document your journey, then a good quality action camera and the mounts always come handy. Now, moving on to accessories for you, the riding gears. Let us begin with helmets. When buying a helmet, always choose full face helmets. Now, if you want an option for open face, go for modular helmets. When buying a helmet, never compromise on quality. Look for all the right ratings and buy only good quality ones. Another very important riding gear when riding long distance are riding jackets and riding pants. When buying them both, make sure you buy ones with adequate protection at all weather so that you are comfortable in all riding conditions and also safe. To wrap it up, we have the all-important riding boot. Now, the importance of riding boot cannot be stressed enough because it is one of the most important riding gear for a long distance rider. Now, if you have a pillion rider, it is always ideal to have a good quality pillion backrest on your motorcycle installed. Moving on to the final set, the luggage accessories. There are different types of luggage accessories: tank bags, top bags, saddle bags, or even backpacks. Tank bags are bags that goes on top of your tank, which are attached to it through magnets or through straps. Now, these can carry all the essential documents that you want, or your mobile phones, or maps, or anything that you feel is important. A saddlebag and top box are the luggages that goes on the back of your motorcycle. Now, this motorcycle will be carrying the majority of your luggages. Finally, we have the backpacks. Backpacks are used to carry lighter luggages on your back. So guys, these are some of the accessories that will make sure your next ride is very comfortable. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More videos coming soon. See you in the next video.